Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Ashvith and you're watching Ashvith Vlogs. Today's video is about how to use your old smartphone as your monitor secondary display. So without wasting time, let's get it started.
First step is to go to your favorite browser and type spacedesk. Click on the first link, which is spacedesk.net. Now in this website, scroll down until you get spacedesk driver software for Windows. Download according to your PC architecture and Windows version. Mine is Windows 10 64-bit. Now it redirects to the direct download link. Save it to your desired folder. Now click on the spacedesk.msi installation file and agree to license agreement. Click next. Give permission to your firewall for spacedesk and click next. Now click install. It will take about 20 to 30 seconds to install the driver. Restart the PC after installation. Now let's get into the smartphone. Connect the Wi-Fi to the same network which is your PC connected to. Now tap on Play Store and search for spacedesk and install the app. Now open the app. Tick the box and tap OK. Now your PC will be automatically visible with your PC name and IP address. Tap on it. Yeah, you are in. You can configure your display resolution in display settings. By tapping this, the setting menu will appear. Here you can set custom resolution and also you can change your FPS from 30 to 60 or more if your smartphone supports. You can duplicate as well as expand your PC screen in this method. You can also connect multiple devices in this method.
So that's pretty much it guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you feel this video is informative, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So till then, Ashvith is signing off. Bye.